Yeah, welcome back. It's time to try to do some work. So, as I was seeing in the small blog video a couple of days ago, this Ledbar is just dying more and more. Just have to change it. So I got one order, and yeah, just have to see. Start to do the job. This should be simple. Since the most of the wiring is here already, just have to take up and cut off this one and put in new system when you put the wires together. Hopefully it's very simple. Yeah, my connections are in this one, and I just have to take off this or check how I put up the new one before I take off. Yeah, I've taken off the old system. That one is working here without killing everything back. But the new, this one, I can't use it because it's supposed to stand behind like this, and it's not going. So that is useless. So I have to see if I can screw out the Torx in here and if I can use these screws on that one. If I'm lucky, I have to try. We really use the holders here instead of this system. Couldn't fit here, so it's okay. Now I just have to disconnect this and put it together again and see if I can screw the other on the right place. Yeah, I connected the wires. Just let's see. I'll get some really bright light here. There. Yeah. Then me in the car again. Just see if I start it up. Now I put on a new Ledbar. It's a little too light outside to show it. There. My wood in the front there. The old bar was 126 watt. This is 420. Very interesting to see it in the dark, because now it's light and the darkness is coming very fast, so I'm just see. I have to out in the evening here and adjust it, so you can see if I take that in the back of this video. But yeah, I have to get a better shrink plastic put around the wire. The one I had was too small, it should have been longer. I should have cut up more of the old ones, so I have to see if I get one in a little bigger size. Otherwise it's supposed to be easy to do it, and I had wires in there from before, but my problem now, I'm still sick and in the garage is just messed up and it's cold and I'm freezing. So, yeah, but at least I managed to fix it easily. then I hope I'll be back later tonight out testing so you can see. If not, just please like the video, please subscribe to the channel, and please come with comments, come with ideas what I can do more about the Land Cruiser, the Pontiac, the Jaguar, the Camrys, every car I have, or other ideas about tools you would like to see we talk about on the channel. So thank you and welcome back. Please put a like. Here is the Ledbar on. Just go down to ordinary light there and take off the Ledbar. See, I have here ordinary long light, the Ledbar. But it looks like it's too much down in the front, so I'll see if I can find a place to adjust it. Seems like it should have been going up a little more, but they help a lot. This is 400 watts, it's supposed to be much more. It's very little in my eyes. Coming on the cars. Here it lights up up in the trees. So I just have to see. Drive it into a parking house here and see, as we was doing with a friend was trying to adjust his newly mounted Ledbar in that new parking house. So just go down there and see. See here, now I'm down in the parking house. I was filming the Jaguar down here. Let's just see how this light is working. There is very high. It's very high. Gonna move it down a little. Just feels like it's a lot of light down by, so I want it long in the front. So I just leave it like this. Yeah. Then I know I have been trying it and it looks okay. Looks to be adjusted more or less right, so I can just leave it like this for a moment and see. Because this was seems to be working okay. So now come a lot of more cars here, so I'm just going to move out, not standing here. So, but please come back, see a lot of other videos on my channel. It's more than 500 videos. A lot about the Land Cruiser, but a lot about the other cars, and hopefully when we get a little more well, we can start to get done a lot more on both my car and some friends' cars and things. And I have a lot of cars now. So please come back, please follow, please put a like on the video. Thank you.